If you are working for YouTube automation and want to generate unlimited images, but the lot of tools that provide the image generation, but they need the sign up, and after few cadets these goes down and you are not allowed to generate the images. But in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of amazing image generation website for you for free of cost using NVIDIA API key and Google AI Studio. And if you visit the developed app that we have developed in this video, you can see this is a consistent character image generation website where you can create unlimited images free of cost, and you don't need to pay anything, but you just need to create an app using Google AI Studio, and then go you will be ready to download your generated images or the bulk image generation tool that don't need login or sign up or credits. So you can now create free of cost your own image generation website that allow you to generate unlimited images for you and with no cost. So let me get started. As the very first step, you need to go here build.nvidia.com/models, and here you need to search a model. Here for example we are going to create the image generation website, so we need an API for image generation. So I will search here image. For example, I have written here image and click on search button, and there you will see a lot of models that have free endpoints. If there is written free endpoints, it means it will provide you the free API key without any credits. So here you can see this is the not free, and this is free, and this is free. So here we are going to choose one of them. So I choose the Queen image generator for now, so I just click here. Now here you can see everything is written here. So now we will get the API from this image generation model provided by NVIDIA. So now the next step is the generation of our website. For that we will use the Google AI Studio, which is free of cost. And here I will click on in the Google AI Studio. You just need to click on new app, and here you just need to describe everything that you need to do with this. So here is the prompt. That prompt I have created with the ChatGPT, and this prompt link is provided into the description. You can just copy this prompt and paste here without any changes. I have pasted the prompt, and there I will click on build. So now it will give us the running app image generation website or image generation app that will work for us free of cost. Now this is making app for us, and it can take a few seconds or minutes depending upon the functionality of the app that we are creating with the Google AI Studio. Okay, now at this point it's asking for the API key, that NVIDIA API key that I was talking about in the start of the video. So here I will just open the QN image generator, and here I just click on get API key, and here I just click on create or generate the API key. Now the API key is available here. I just copy this API key, go back into the Google AI Studio and paste here this API key, and just click on apply. Now this is very simple. Now after applying our API key, it will give us the amazing consistent character image generation tool. Now the API key has been added in the backend of this app that we have created. So now we are going to test this app, and then we'll see is it creating the images or not. So here I just go with the sample prompt that this website already have. Okay, now you can see our app is built, and let me test this. As the very first step, we need to create a characters here. So you can see this is the character creating a step. So here I will go with the default step, the default prompt and everything default, because I don't want to waste your time. So you can change the make changes according to your character. So here I just click on create character, and now we will go here on the next tab, generate the reference image. So I just click here to generate the reference image, or you can upload your own image. So I just click on generate a reference image. So here the character reference image has been generated here. So this is not looking good, but If you want to click on regenerate, so it will regenerate our character here. Now you can see regenerated character is looking good, but you can also regenerate if you want to regenerate. And here is the step 3 of planning 5 scenes, because our app is generating 5 consistent character scenes based on our given prompts. Okay, now this is scene 1, and this is scene 2, for example, and this is scene 3, and this is scene 4, and this is scene 5. So here, if you click on generate all 5 scenes, it will generate all the 5 scenes depending upon you. But here you can see these are the prompts, upon our scenes. You can see these are the prompts to generate our scenes. So here you can create all the scenes with one single click. So I just click on single click, and let's see, is it generating all the scenes or not. So it's generating the scenes. So let me see the results, how these scenes will be looks like. Okay, now you can see all the scenes are generated. So here, this is the scene 1, this is scene 2, this is scene 3 and 4 and 5. So here you can see there are some issues with scenes. So you can just fix these issues with your consistent character issues. You can just give the prompt here, hi, this is not generating the consistent character scenes. So it will fix the issue. For example, here you can see I have fixed some of the issues. You can also fix this issue, because this is not generating the consistent character. So the first scene is the consistent character, but the second and third and fourth are not consistent. So this is how you can generate your own AI image generator website that can be generate the consistent character images, or the single images of bulk images. If you want to create the bulk generator, so it will also work for you. So this is how this image generation tool website works, and this is how you can create a free image generation website for you. So here, if you want to deploy this on your own hosting, I have already created a website how you can deploy on your own hosting, and I have also created a video how you can deploy this on Vocal. So you can also deploy this app on Vocal free of course. So I will also give you the guide how you can deploy this on Vocal here also. So if you want to deploy on your own hosting, you can also deploy on your own hosting by watching my video that I have created already.